How to get 8-digit backup code for Instagram. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily get the 8-digit verification code for your Instagram. So in order to get those backup codes, you first have to set up your two-factor authentication. Go to your Instagram and head over to your profile at the bottom right. Then simply go to the menu icon at the top right option. Once your settings is open, go to Account Center. Once your Account Center is open, go to Password and Security. And here you'll have an option to set up two-factor authentication. Select your Instagram account and select your preferred authentication method. I'm just going to go with my SMS or WhatsApp, then tap on Next. Here you can simply go ahead and enter your phone number. And once you have entered your phone number, they will send you a verification code on your WhatsApp. If you want to get an SMS, you can do that by choosing Get Code via SMS instead. So I've got the code here. I'm just gonna go ahead and enter my code and then tap on Next. And as you can see, my two-factor authentication is now turned on. You can just tap on Done. Now, in order to get the 8-digit backup code, you have to head over to Additional Methods. And here you'll have something called Backup Codes, where you can use these when you don't have access to your phone. Simply go ahead and tap on the backup codes to view them. So you'll get these kind of codes right here, these kind of 6-digit codes. So this is how you basically get your backup codes on Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.